Buonasera paisani and welcome to yet another episode of Big Mamas Gather live on Instagram searching for hope. If I count correctly, this is episode 57. So wow, what a long year it's been. I can't believe I've done this 57 times. Tonight it's very simple. It's a very simple episode. It's just a touch base, and I want to welcome anyone or everyone to ask me whatever you want. We're gonna leave it at an open forum. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask. Type it up, and I'll do my best to answer you. Thank you everyone for your comments, your compliments, your encouragement. For yesterday, was my first official kind of forced on day off in 4 months since I opened up an ice cream shop. And it was very hi Gigi, it was very well deserved. Although my mind was still at the store, I took the opportunity to enjoy the warm humid weather, the pool, time alone. I had peace and quiet. I had the house to myself, the pool to myself, and of course I enjoyed it with a nice amaretto, which really hit the spot. So I was in my zen zone. It was my zen moment, although I got kind of bored very fast because I was alone. I was, immersed in my music, in my little bubble, but it felt good just to relax and just, reconnect with myself, re-energize, relax, be a bit carefree. So thank you, Gigi, and thank you to my girls and my husband for allowing me to take the day off. On a different note, I'm back today. As you can see, I'm back at the store today because I can't stay away too long. But this Friday, weather permitting, if it doesn't rain, anyone in Montreal is all welcomed and invited to come and spend some time at our ice cream shop, Crèmerie Mémorable, at 3171 Fleury East, corner Saint Michel, right in front of Chez Matante. We are offering you sausage sandwiches. So we'll be roasting sausages in front of the store. Well, not in front of the store, but on the property of the store, and offering sausages to all our customers. And of course, after, you can enjoy a gelato or a soft serve ice cream, a milkshake, a blizzard, a banana split, a sundae, a Monday, a Tuesday. But you get what I'm saying. We always have music. We always have TV on. We're always here to receive you with open arms and give you the best service we can, because we want your experience to be, that's right, memorable, and that's why we called it memorable. Hi Manu Cauchi, how are you doing? Alex 424 says, I would love to meet you, Aguri with the ice cream shop. Thank you so much, Alex. So that's what's going on right now. So we're really busy trying to brainstorm, to make events, to make activities for everyone to come see us and taste our wonderful gelato and ice cream, as well as see our location, and just enjoy summer. We're having a heat wave right now. It's crazy hot, but I'll take it over the minus 40 degrees. It's humid, it's muggy, we get a bit of rain, we get a bit of sun, but I'll take it all. Anything besides snow, I love it, because I like the heat. And as you can see, I feel tropical today, so I wore my dress. And so that's it. So lots of things happening here at Crèmerie Mémorable, and it's always nice to see familiar faces, new faces, people that follow me, that know me, that recognize me. I'm very sorry if I don't know who you are when you introduce yourself and come see me, because I have so many people following me. I don't know everyone, but also with the mask thing, it's hard to see who it is. So just please be patient with me and explain who you are, and I'm sure I'll place you. Wait, hold on. I got so many messages. Manu says, I'm okay. Yes, I'm doing fine. Melissa, hi Melissa from Australia. I'm doing okay, thank you. Style Bar Goddess says, you look amazing. Thank you so much. Manu says 48.8 degrees today in Sicily. Madonna, they can fry an egg on the sidewalk. But I like it. I like the heat. So, but you see, Manu, in Sicily, the heat is dry heat. It's not humid like here in Montreal. So, it's more tolerable, I think, in Italy, from what I remember, and what I've been told. So, casemo. We take what we can get. It is what it is. Anything else? I've been very busy with weddings. I've been very busy with the store. Weddings are just flying off the charts for me this year. Last year I only had 4 because of the conditions we were living in. This year I'm almost at over 20, and I've got 6 more to go. So until between now and October 9th, I've got 6 more weddings to go, and I'm a little bit uneasy. I didn't want to talk about it, but I'm just going to mention this passport thing that they're implementing September 1st. Makes me really uncomfortable, and it gives me more doubt, and it makes me want to ask more questions. But we'll leave it at that. To each their own. I just hope it doesn't doesn't pick up as well as they think. Guys, just be safe. Tonight, like I said, I want to make it short and sweet. I didn't really prepare anything for tonight besides touching base and seeing if you guys have any questions. Oh, we have Bliss Beauty and Wellness in the house. Bliss Beauty and Wellness, congratulations. She is the latest newlywed that I married this past Saturday. So, Sonia, congratulations. I got good feedback, so she was very happy with the ceremony. It was a wonderful, simple, but heartwarming ceremony, and that's why I do what I do. I like to bring out the best in a couple. I like to let the audience feel the love that they feel at that moment, and I want them to take it all in and enjoy it. I want it to be frozen in time, because I want them to remember it for the rest of their lives. And it was very heartwarming and touching to see how her new husband was so emotional when he saw her walk down the aisle and hold her hand and say their vows and exchange their rings. It was very beautiful. So God bless, and wish you lots of happiness, Sonia and Joe. And I'll be doing more weddings, of course, and I post them all the time, not because to brag or anything. It's just I like to celebrate the good stuff in life, the good things in life. So that's why I put it out there to give people hope, and that's why I do the episode that I do. You're very welcome, Sonia. I do it because I want people to have hope. I want people to not lose hope. We all have problems, some more than others, some are worse than others, but we all have problems. And if we don't find hope and we don't have faith that it's a storm that's going to pass, we lose ourselves. We overthink, we get overwhelmed, and then worse things happen, like depression, anxiety, and dark thoughts. So rather than do that, I like to say to people, look at the bright side. Nothing lasts a lifetime. If you're going through a storm, just keep going, because after every storm there's a rainbow. So look for the rainbow, and even if you're in a dark place, look for the stars. There's always a light somewhere if you look for it. And this is my message. This is what I want to put out there. That's why I post all my posts. I honestly don't know who it's going to impact, who is going to read it, and who's going to find it useful. But from the feedback that I'm getting, I'm doing something right. And so many people have contacted me in private, and we've had conversations by text, by messages, and listen, I guess what I say, or my opinion, my advice is working, because they're getting good results. So I really can't stop what I'm doing because of all this. I mean, if it would give bad results, I would stop, but it's giving good results. It's giving people hope. It's giving people the motivation, the strength, and the power to move on and move forward and get out of wherever they are. So the way I see it is, if you're in a tunnel, keep going. Don't look back. Just keep going. You're going to see the light eventually. And have faith. Have faith, and don't lose hope. So that's my message. Does anybody have any questions? Do you guys have questions? I see a lot of you coming on. Hi, everybody. Alex says, love your post. I share with my daughter. Thank you. My pleasure, Alex. Like I said, I don't know who my posts are going to impact. I don't know who's going to read them. I don't know who's going to share them. But I find that they're positive messages. And the messages within, whether it be the whole thing or part of it, will hopefully impact someone in a positive way. And it's people I don't know. It's people that I don't know what they're going through. You may have lost a loved one. You may have gone through a traumatic experience, or you're just going through life itself. That's not easy. So whatever I can do to help, here I am. Ange Girl says, you look stunning. Thank you so much. Sweet Spirit says, is Montreal wearing masks now? Yes, Sweet Spirits. Yes, Montreal's still wearing masks. The restrictions are getting lifted, but they're kind of favorizing. Let's use that word. They're favoring the double vaccinated to have access everywhere rather than the non-vaccinated. So it feels like they're creating a different society, or a different clique, if you want to say it. If you're double vaccinated, you can go to non-essential services, which is the theater, the movies, an event, a concert, restaurant, the gym. But if you're not, then as of September 1st, they will not allow you in. But this all if the restaurant owner or the event owner cards you for your code, your QR code. I've heard that some merchants won't, because they've lost so much money already. They're not going to start monitoring people that are not vaccinated. I just hope it's short lived and that they regret what they did and retrieve it, because I find it unfair. I feel that our freedom of choice and our freedom to choose is being taken away, and they're forcing it so much that it just puts more doubt in my mind not to get this vaccine. And well, listen, to each their own. But I have other issues. I have other health issues that prevent me and scare me from getting it. Melissa says we are wearing masks here in Australia. Yeah, I think the masks, we're gonna have them for quite a while. Scooter Speranza, ciao da Toronto, ciao ciao. Hello, Scooter. So yeah, the emotions are mixed, because even if you get the 2 shots, you can still get COVID, you can still get the variant, and now they're talking about a third booster shot. So I mean, how many times are they gonna prick us? How many times are we gonna get injected? It's very scary. It really scares me, and unfortunately, I see myself going down that path sooner rather than later, because I held off for so long. But I'm still not quite sure about it. Sweet Spirit says you look wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I guess it's starting to show that I lost some more weight. I lost 15 pounds in the past 2 to 3 weeks. But all in all, in 4 years, since 2017, when I started my weight loss journey, I have lost a total, drumroll, a total of 80 pounds. 80 pounds in 4 years. So that's about 20 pounds a year if you calculate. But I lost most of it in the first 2 years. Then, it's a roller coaster. You plateau, you stop, then you lose some more, then you plateau some more. And, it's up and down. It's a very difficult journey. It's a very difficult struggle. But thank you for noticing that I've lost weight. I would like to lose another 10 to 15 pounds. Hopefully I'll get there, because I have less to lose now than I did when I started. So if I can get to 90 pounds or even 100 I think is a bit much. But if I can lose at least another 10 to 15 pounds, I'd be very happy. But the thing is, I still have the belly. The belly has been stretched out, and it just bothers the hell out of me. It's skin. It's skin due to pregnancy. It's skin due to, the weight. And it just bothers me. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm actually thinking about surgery. So I don't know if I'm going to get a tummy tuck or lipo, or I don't know. I think I need a tummy tuck more than lipo, because it's not fat I have. It's just skin. So I don't know. I'm just thinking about it right now. Nothing is set. But look, guys, I'm an open book. I'm probably going to let you know what I decide, if I do decide something, what I'm going to do. I have nothing to hide. It is what it is, and maybe it'll encourage someone else to do the same. But it's not because I'm going through a midlife crisis, because I'm 46, or anything else besides the fact that, it's becoming a complex, and I just want to look as good as I feel. So it's just aesthetics for me. It's not because I want to look beautiful. It's because I want to feel, on the outside what I feel on the inside. I'm reading all kinds here. Sweet Spirit says, wow. Melissa says, wow. Bella, keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Melissa. Bliss says, it's Joe. Hi, Joe. Joe and Sonia. He says, I wanted to thank you for the ceremony. Everyone loved it, and you are amazing. Thank you so much again. Oh, my pleasure, Joe. Joe is the groom that I married on Saturday. A very beautiful couple, so in love. They've known each other for 30 years, and finally their paths cross to the point that they can now, walk the same path together. It's just beautiful. That's why I like doing what I do. Just to hear someone's love story and how they got together is just heartwarming. Sly says, "You look beautiful. God bless you. Thank you so much." Pitbull, ciao, Pitbull. Pitbull is in the USA, and Pitbull is such a dedicated person to sharing my posts. He finds them useful, and he believes that they can help other people, because obviously we may have some similar friends or followers, but not all. So he shares often my posts. And Pitbull, thank you so much for sharing and for your encouragement. It means so much to me that people find what I'm doing useful. It's not just a waste of time. I'm actually dedicating my time to giving back and to encouraging and to put some positivity in the world. I think that's what I want my legacy to be when I'm gone, hopefully in many, many, many years, that I was a good person, and I tried to make the world a better place, and I tried to make everyone feel good about themselves. I'm just that big-hearted. I just want to help everyone. I want to solve everyone's problem. I want to make everyone happy. And that's why my name is Big Mama. Before, I used to take it as Big Mama in the size, but no, a lot of people have been telling me you're Big Mama because you have a big heart. So I'll take their word for it, but I'm starting to see it now that I'm a bit everywhere to help everyone. So yeah, that's what it is. So Pitbull, thank you so much for sharing my posts. Guys, it's been 15 minutes. I've been rambling on. Tonight was a pleasure, as always, to see you guys come on, to see your comments. Your comments do a lot to me. In what sense? They encourage me, they motivate me, they keep me going, and they're positive for me. And I look forward to reading all your messages and seeing your feedback, how you feel about my post, how you feel about what I'm saying, or the message I'm trying to put across. So this is why I do what I do. Sweet Spirit says yes with a big heart and a star. Thank you so much. So I will be back next week, again, as usual, Wednesday night, 8 p.m. for another Big Mamas Gather live right here on Instagram, Searching for Hope. Please, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, friend me on Facebook, or follow my Facebook page. I post everything everywhere. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana, Learn Sicilian one word at a time. I know, guys, don't be mad at me for not posting a Sicilian word. I haven't done one. I will probably do one soon. It's been, a week or two that I haven't done one. Please understand how busy I am, and that, I have to find the right moment to do the video, and then I have to edit it and add the music and add this and add that. So it takes a lot of time, and, when I get home at 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, I just want to crash out. So please forgive me for not being as active with the Sicilian word as I should be, or as you expect me to be. I love you all. Sweet Spirit says, we love to see you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I love you all. Please be safe, love one another, be kind, but most of all, be humble, because we're all the same. We're all sinners. We're all gonna go in the same place when when our physical lives are gone. So guys, just be humble and be kind, be understanding, and that's it. Allora, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody. Un bacione a tutti. Mwah. Thank you, guys.